Okay, so we're going to look at 45 together right now. So I am taking this number and I'm going to square the whole thing.
It's going to be close to 9, but do you want us to estimate or just exact?
Well, let's see what it spits out. So I have to do 2.96 times 2.96, right? Because I have to square that number, and I'll also have to square the 10 to the negative fourth. But when I square 2.96, that gets me 8.7616. 8.7616. And it would be times 10 to the what power? Negative 8. Am I done? Yeah, this time I got lucky. That first number is in between 1 and 10. I don't need to fix it. So that's all I had to do. Square everything that's in there, and I get to move on. Unfortunately, I'm not always that lucky. If you look at number 47, for example. Okay? My goal is to write this. I need to do 6 times 10 to the negative fourth to the negative fourth, but I need to write that number in scientific notation. Okay, you ready? You ready? So here's what I might do first. I have to give everybody that exponent of negative 4, right? So I'm going to have 6 to the negative fourth times 10 to the what? Positive 16th. Now, 6 to the negative fourth power is 1 over 6 to the fourth, right? A negative exponent means it goes downstairs. So this is 1 over 6 to the fourth.
And where do you put the 10 to the 6? Or 16?
Well, I'm not doing anything with the 10 to the 16th just yet. This number out in front has to be some decimal. I just have to figure out what that decimal is. So I'm going to do, on my calculator, 1 divided by 6 to the fourth. Do you remember how to do different exponents? So watch. I want 1 divided by 6. And then you remember how you raise something to the fourth power? Or to, whoops. Yeah, we have to use the caret key. So it's above the divide over here. See the little caret like you had on your phone keyboard? So caret to the fourth. So there is 1 divided by 6 to the fourth. And it gave me my answer in scientific notation. Actually, that's kind of convenient. That's less work that you have to do.
Well, you get 0.00077716 if you
Yes.
wanted it.
So let me just tell you, when you have a number that pops up with E on the end here, that's the calculator's way of doing scientific notation. It's this decimal, 7.7, and then that's times 10 to the negative fourth. That's annoying. I'll try and make sure that the numbers aren't too big on your quiz. I think I only squared it, so it wasn't so bad. Anyway, this number as a decimal will come out as 0.00077 times 10 to the 16th. All I have to do is fix it. I'm really close. This number would turn into 7.7 times 10 to the what?
The 12?
Well, right here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's to the negative fourth, times 10 to the 16th.
So times the 12.
Yes. You with me? Let's go try 44. This number shouldn't be too bad. So I'm going to need to do 4.93 to the negative 2 power times 10 to the what? Fourth, right? I'm going to have to ask my calculator what this is. Actually, I think we can I just raise it to the negative 2? Why not? 4.93 raised to the negative 2 power. Oh yeah, it'll do it for me right there. Isn't that nice? So I just did 4.93 raised to the negative 2. So I get 0.041. So when you go to fix, so ignore this, what is that number in scientific notation?
4.1 times 10 to the negative 2.
Right. 4.1 times 10 to the negative 2. And then I just combine it with the 10 to the 4th, and I'll be done. So that'd be 10 to the, yep. What do you think?
Easy enough.
Sure. How about, yeah, we can do 43. So 43, I'll have to do 8.7 to the negative first times 10 to the negative fourth. I'm going to ask Mr. Calculator to do 8.7 to the negative 1 power. And it turns out to be 0.115. All you have to do is fix this number. So let me let you try it without me telling you what to do. Let me cover up this other stuff that we don't need. So you're just trying to change 0.115 into scientific notation and then combine it with that 10 to the negative 4th. You got it? Tell me what you wrote.
Do you want me to tell it 1.15 times 10 to the negative 1? Or do you want the answer?
Let's do all the steps. So negative 1 and then times 10 to the negative 4th. So your final answer is
1.15 times 10 to the negative 5th.
correct. Did you get it? Okay.